Hey, Lana and Julie, I'm really happy to get your help. So I'll show you how to make the Classcard drill set. So you log in with what is that? Chrome and go to Classcard. So see Classcard.net. Then you have my ID and password. There's a login. So happy we top and then password is 6167. So login. Then there are so many classes, but you go to Winter Camp 1. So Winter Camp 1, and there are already drill set we made like 1, 2, we've gone through four times already. So now we have to study 9 and 10 on Monday. So we need the drill set on Wednesday 11 and 12. So I want you to start from chapter 1 and chapter 11 and 12. So I'll show you how. See the set. Then you see set 만들기. So click. Then we need to make a drill set. So click drill set and put the title of the set. So we are I survived, and then already here. So just click and then change this one 11 to 12. Then so 객관식 is multiple choice. So 세문항 you type in. So what is the author's name, blah blah, and then you give the choices like A. Then you write down whatever you wanted to, like 3, 4. If we wanted to make more articles, 설정, go 설정 and click, you make 5 like this. Or if you want to make just if you click a certain number like this, that is the answer key. And if we want a new question, 세문항, click 세문항, and 객관식, whatever you want it, you can make those kind of question. But I want you to make just a simple and easy question for my students. So I will go 객관식 again, and this time I'll choose the type of question is just true or false. So then you go 설정, just 2 choices, and then answer is true or false. I have my cell phone the other hand, so it's hard to. Then if you write down your question here, is it like false? You click false. That's the answer. So if you all done, you just make save. And that's it. So I didn't put any the contents here. It says blah blah. But if you made all these kind of question, that's done. So I'll show you my questions. Like okay, if we go to chapter 1 and 2 question, so I can add more later, like 편집. If you put 편집, you can add more questions here. If you want to delete some question, you can delete. And for students, they can see and then they can start test. So I'll check take a test. What is the title of the book? Then this is the answer, and 제출. Then it says correct. And then somebody get wrong, they can read the what is the who is the author? The Lauren Tassis. Then if I will get wrong on purpose, then it shows the teachers explaining like this. Here, 해설 보기. Georgie is the main character. Henry is a steward for Georgie and his family. Georgie's mother passed away, something like that. So you can put the reason, something like that, or just put page on here, then they can go back to the book and then read the question again, something like that. So when you make questions, I want you to make like put the page, then they can read the book. My students, they don't read the book, they don't like to read, but I give them like 2 questions each for like 7 students. Then at least they should read that question and that page. So then we read all the story together and go over with me. So that's how I teach my middle schoolers during winter. So okay, I'm really happy you helped me. I feel relief. I'm so busy. I work from 9:30 to 10:30 or 10 or 9:30. So too much work. But if you help me, I feel really happy and relief. I'm so lucky to have Julie and 2 girls and your family. Thank you so much for having me. Bye.